Good morning, guys. Yep. Well, we're back on the on the property. I've been away for about 3 weeks, almost a month. Kind of missed it. Weather is gorgeous. No breeze. Well, it's no breeze. Might pick up today. Hopefully, cool us off. I got Simple Life Reclaims and Country Road Cure 41.36 shirt. So, but I'm gonna be wearing it today. I got something else in the mail right here. Living Simple Homestead and Outdoors. Living Simple Homestead and Outdoors, yeah. Embrace the simple life. That is a great saying. That's a basic of us building off grid, homesteading, alternative way of life that we want to set up. So John, I'm going to be wearing this today while I'm working, and yeah, looking forward to it. It's a really nice shirt, good quality. So is this one. And of course, Jason. Ilkenerum got me my cabin cup. Yeah, well, I'm here to set up my shower. I'm going to be painting the inside, the walls, the base, putting a coat of paint to protect the wood from humidity or whatever. I don't anticipate it leaking, but it's water and fittings, so again, then I'm gonna put up some tin and then the base. I have an idea. Hopefully it all works out. Got some caulking to seal it, everything. Got my electrical wire, run that to the battery. Got the switch and everything. So without further ado, guys, I'm gonna have a little breakfast and then gonna get the show running. So stick with me and enjoy the show.
Wishing for the kind of love you see in magazines. The illusion falls and nothing's what it seems to be. The part left is hurting deep inside of me. Heard a whisper someone.
All right, guys, so what I did right here on the inside portion, right there, let me point, all this, that's where the hose is going to come out of. So I sealed it, painted it, and sealed the seams. So if there should be a spill, the water's just going to gather there instead of spreading out. And then I'll be able to see it come out this way. And I'll inspect it regularly, make sure it's all dry in there. And if it gets wet, I'll just lift the base, because I'm going to make sure I can lift the base. And pass a shop vac in there to dry it off. Sawdust, and then shop vac it some more. Worst case scenario. So right there, my pump's going to come right here. I calculate I have to add another 2x4 going across like this, because I need at least 5 1/4. So it's going to give me 5.5 inch lift with a 2x4 and then another 2x4 flat. So I'm going to be working on that. All right, stick around.
There's no fixing what's been broken. This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind. Love is gone, and there's no road leading us back home. This ain't the first time, but it's the last time. At the bottom of the barrel, there's no love to be found. This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind.
All right, guys, so I lifted up the base just so I can get that 90-degree angle fixed. I'm able to lift up, so hopefully that works.
I'll leave it all behind. I wasted too much time, I've been blind. 'Cause there's no fixing what's been broken. This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind. It's a good day to be drinking till I'm fine. Moon is watching shallow dreams. Night is rocking her to sleep. Wind whispers in the tree. Hidden secrets are hard to keep. He's still waiting, holding on through the night. He's still waiting, wishing time could make it right. He is waiting, dawn is bringing morning light. He is waiting to end this fight. She's still waiting, holding on through the night. She's still waiting, wishing time could make it right. She is waiting, dawn is bringing morning light. She is waiting, he's still waiting.
All right, guys. So let me explain what we got going on here. So we got the drain, the PEX that runs underneath. I did lift it up a little bit so the drain that my 90 elbow has room. And then the PEX connects to the screen filter for the larger particles. And then I got my water filter right here. That's going to go into the pump. And I got 90-degree for the PEX right there. And then it goes up. I got another 90 degrees right there. I thought I'd have enough with 2. Sadly, I don't. I need 2 more. So that's why there's a spiral into the tubing, and I didn't cut it because I want to add my 90 degrees before I cut it and connect it to my shower head. Thus my shower head's gonna fall, drip down into the drain. Okay, I got both wires disconnected. I'm gonna go connect the battery, and then I'm gonna go try this. Play with the switch. Alright guys, I got my pump connected. That simple. On off. 12 volt system's pretty easy. Form a circuit, makes the pump go. Now, I'm not too worried. The instructions say this pump can run dry. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try to make a little box with this out of a piece of 2x4 drill, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mount it up. And tomorrow morning I'm gonna give it a test run. I still have the tin to put on my walls, but I'm still gonna give it a test run, see if everything works before we go off to the meetup next week. So I'm gonna give it a test run in the morning because I want it to be the silicone to have time to dry a whole lot. It says 30-minute dry, can be used with water, but I just want to make sure. So it's dry, it's Arizona, so it should be good in the morning.
What's been broken? This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind. Love is gone, and there's no road leading us back home. This ain't the first time, but it's the last time.
All right, guys, it's the moment of truth. I got my water. I got a gallon and then some, just in case. I have my 5-gallon bucket to collect it all. Right there's the shower head. There's my pump, and there's the stuff that you saw me put together. So I'm gonna put water in the drain, and then cross our fingers. I let it dry overnight, so we'll see how it goes. My 1 gallon. There's my tub right there. It's full of water. Let's see if it's not leaking. We got a leak. Shit.
'Cause there's no fixing what's been broken. This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind. It's a good day to be drinking till I'm fine.
Hey again, guys. Well, we had a leak. This is where it was happening. My drain. And I put this pipe together. It has a rubber gasket in here. And I just squished it down, made it fit, and then put silicone all around it and on the inside too of the rubber gasket. Now, 2 things. When I put my shower in, it might have twisted it and ripped the silicone, or it just wasn't enough of a seal to hold that water from here to here. So it was leaking right here. Now, thank goodness that I sealed the whole small portion so the water just puddled up in there. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to find a connecting piece from here to here and cement it together, not use silicone. So either I buy a new one of these, which are like $8, and clean this up, because this is cemented to that and that is cemented to that. So I'm not going to change this. I'm just going to clean it up real good, sand it, get a piece. So I'm going to bring this back down to the valley, back home, work on it a bit this week. I'm very busy back home, so this was a fail. So too bad. I wanted to see that shower work. But I got the connection, I got my pump and filter connected there and wired. Yeah. Anyway. Keep on working at it. It's gonna work. I just need to fix that seal right there. Thank God it wasn't permanently set up and everything. And it won't be until I know it's running right without leaks for a while. So yeah, anyway, that's it for today, for this video. Living Simple Homestead and Outdoors. Great channel. Go ahead and check them out. And I hope to see a lot of you at the meetup. If you can't, it's okay. Keep communicating, keep commenting on my videos, and I'll reply back. And I really appreciate you guys watching. This is the good, the bad, and the not so good. I wouldn't say ugly, because, I mean, it's a personal taste. Yeah. So thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, ciao.